Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to deep dive into a new feature of UiPath Autopilot feature for UiPath apps. This feature allows you to generate an app from an image, text, or from a PDF. The Autopilot features leverages AI and machine learning to analyze an image and automatically create an app based on its content. It is designed to streamline the app development process and empower users to create custom apps without extensive coding knowledge. Without any further delays, let's go to UiPath Orchestrator and see how we can leverage this UiPath Autopilot feature and can save the development time by using this functionality. So first of all, we'll go to the orchestrator, then we'll navigate to the apps. Once we have navigated to UiPath apps, then on the very first container of the page it shows generate your first app. So here is the autopilot feature is enabled. So to generate your app you can use autopilot, or you can have the alternate option to create a new app. This is a traditional way where you can simply take in containers, drag and drop, right? But with the new feature called as UiPath Autopilot for apps, by this you can generate your apps based on your input. So here in the input you can even write an description of your app, and based on your description, and AI and the other models will work in the background and generate an app for you, including all the entities binded together with the apps, right? For this demo I have one form downloaded. So what we'll do is we'll try to give this image as an input to autopilot, and let's see what autopilot generate for us. Okay, we'll click on the attach option over here, then select the form that I have downloaded as the image, then I simply click open. Then autopilot is once I clicked on the generate button, then autopilot is working in the background, and here you can see in the background autopilot started building an app in the background. It has automatically detected all the containers which is available in the form, and it has named it correctly. Even it has all the fields here you can see. So now it is generating entities and setting up some rules. Once it is finished, we'll see how it has developed. Okay, now the work of autopilot has done. Now here you can see it has generated a complete end-to-end form which we have given in the input from an image, right? So this was our image. Now we'll compare the form which is generated from the autopilot. On the right hand side I have patient registration form in the form of image, and in the left hand side we have app generated with the help of autopilot. So if we compare both the forms, so right from patient name to the date of birth, social security, address, home number, home phone, email address, communication preferences, everything is matching. So let's check insurance information. So in the insurance information also, so the primary insurance plan, so here you can see whichever fields available in the patient registration form, with the help of autopilot feature enabled in the UiPath apps, it has created a end-to-end app. And not even autopilot has created a container for each and every field available on the patient registration form, but here on the bottom you can see the submit button, right? On the submit button it has created a certain rules which will append all the information from your input to the entity. Even with the autopilot it has created a new entity called a new patient registration form 1, right? And it has all the fields which is available in the form, and once we click on that submit button, our all information will be appended in the entities, right? As you can see, with just a few clicks we are able to create a fully functional app just from an image, right? So what are the benefits we get by using the autopilot feature? First one is the rapid app development. It takes no time to develop an app from an image. Then we can customize this generated app based on your choice. If you are not satisfied from the autopilot, then you can easily get the inputs available, and certainly drag and drop and simply use all the inputs available and customize this app. Now, what are the use case we can think of when we want to use these UiPath apps? So by using the UiPath apps, we can certainly create a data collection apps for those who work in a field and always want to get an input from a end user and want to store a data at a certain location, right? And here in the apps we have data services entity which can store all the information. Even we can create a inventory management apps for certain businesses. In conclusion, the autopilot feature in UiPath apps reduces the effort of the developers, making it accessible to everyone. Try it out today and experience the power of AI driven app creation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more UiPath tutorials and updates. Share your feedback and experiences with the autopilot feature in the comment below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting development from UiPath apps.